The MST M5 Plus Series Backhoe Loader. Power, efficiency, low running cost, economic fuel consumption. Here is your new work partner, the MST M5 Plus Series Backhoe Loader. The right choice. Sunco Makina started the backhoe manufacturing in the year of 1976 in Izmir and then expanded the production to GAZIANTEP at the second factory with 500,000 square meter area in the year of 2006, while succeeding to reach the international standards and quality. The new generation MST M5 Plus Series Backhoe Loaders, the achievement of the unification of the experience, the quality, and the state-of-the-art technology, is not only the choice of Turkey, but also an internationally preferred brand with her superior features. Sunco Makina performs the production at her factories by Turkish engineers and employers using the premium quality materials, integrating the flawless results of robotics and laser technology, utilizing the multiple quality control and three-dimensional measurement device DEA technology with the aim of eliminating the error risk. As a holder of CE, TSE, Quality Management System ISO 9001, Environmental Management System ISO 14001, Occupational Health and Safety Advisory Services 18001, and Turk Quality certifications, she expresses her appreciation for the quality, the environment, and the human health. These machines are produced in compliance with the Sunco Makina Integrated Management Systems policy, are registered with MST trademark all over the world. Today, they are giving service not only in Turkey, but are also being exported to dozens of countries at every continent all over the world. The new MST M5 Plus Series Backhoe Loaders. The inner and outer designs providing a unique appearance, deliver the highest levels of comfort and safety together. ROPS and FOPS approved cab, resistant against rollovers and external impacts. Ergonomic control levers, control panel equipped with each and every detail. Wide-angled view providing the highest level of operator comfort and ease of use, superior sound and heat insulation. The electronic card installed on 4 WS machines provides safe driving. Powerful differential, vibration-free operation, direct power transmission, superior maneuverability enable the new MS-MT Series Backhoe Loaders to reach higher performance levels even in difficult and narrow spaces. The full automatic transmission offers driving comforts and economic operation as well. Extensive attachment options and their versatile operation features enable to yield the same highest levels of efficiency in diverse application areas. The coupled pump transmission and engine yield high torque values at low RPM ranges, so to allow for fuel economy. Our LSD system equipped axes, which enable to operate continuously under the most challenging conditions, are delivered as standard equipment. Improved cooling systems and Venture exhaust systems offer longer service life, and they are also environment friendly. Their special design enhances the breakout power of the MST M5 Series Backhoe Loaders. Their strength is enhanced via utilization of advanced technology at the joints, and their operation area is expanded via mounting a telescopic boom. The unique breakout power of the front loader is also a privilege for the user of the MST M5 Plus series backhoe loader. The damshell bucket and the optimized collection angle prevent the undesired spillages, while the automatic grading facilitates the operator's job. MST M5 Plus series backhoe loaders. Besides the low maintenance and the operating cost, the economical and the environment-friendly features, the most experienced, equipped, and extensive service network, together with the spare part support under the guarantee of Senko, is also offered. MST M5 Plus series backhoe loaders are equipped with sectional hose system enabling easy service delivery and consequently reaching even lower operating costs. The MST M5 Plus series backhoe loader, equipped with modern design, energy, power, and comfort. The new generation power. The right choice.